Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the arithmetic progressions. In the first video we calculate the nth terms Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. After that we calculate the sum of n terms Sn equal to n by 2 bracket में 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now today we see here sum of terms of NAP as first sum of the first n natural number n plus 1 by 2. As you know that natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. That sum is this. As we see that Sn is equal to n by 2 under bracket में 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This n by 2 here 2a means first term 1 plus n number of term n minus 1 and d is a common difference 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 that is a 1 here. Now n by 2 a 2 plus n minus 1. This can be written as n 2 minus 1 and n plus 1 by 2 that is a Sn sum of n natural number n plus 1 by 2 this formula here. Now sum of square of the n natural number equal to 1 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 3 का स्क्वायर 4 का स्क्वायर n स्क्वायर इक्वल टू n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 and sum of cube of n natural number equal to n plus 1 by 2 का whole square. This is 1 के power cube 2 के power cube. This is derived in the DB series. Now relation between n terms and sum of series here, that is a Tn equal to Sn minus s minus 1. Let us suppose that AP is T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 dot at last Tn. Before it Tn minus 1. This is a series in AP. Tn means nth term of this and Sn means sum of these terms and Sn minus 1 means sum of these terms here, so that from right hand side Sn minus 1. Sn means sum of nth terms, so that this T1 plus T2 T3 dot Tn. This is a sum of Sn sum of n terms minus Sn minus 1 sum of n minus 1 terms. This T1 plus T2 plus T3 dot Tn minus 1 these terms. Now further this here t n minus 1 terms. If we open the bracket, t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus dot dot tn minus 1 plus tn minus t1 minus t2 minus t3 minus dot dot tn minus 1. This is a cancelled from here to this, and at last we get tn. This is a left hand side proof. It means that we see that tn sn minus s minus 1. Now we can write. Now we can write tn plus 1 means sn plus 1 minus sn. tn nth term equal to sum of n term masses. एक टर्म पहले का सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. सिमिलरली tn plus 1 sn plus 1 sn घटा देंगे. tn plus 2 means sn plus 2 minus sn plus 1. tn plus 3 means sn plus 3 minus sn plus 2. With the help of this is the relation between n terms and sum of series, and if the sum are given, then we can calculate the n terms. Now property of properties of AP अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन की प्रॉपर्टी है. पहला प्रॉपर्टी है कि इफ एनी कांस्टेंट इज एडेड आर सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम ईच टर्म ऑफ एन एपी, देन द रिजल्टेंट सीक्वेंस इज आल्सो इन एपी विथ सेम कॉमन डिफरेंस. Now let us suppose that we take a sequence 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. This is a sequence. For example, if any constant term is added or subtracted each, let us suppose that here common difference d equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2, 7 minus 5 equal to 2, 9 minus 7 equal to 2. Here in this case common difference is same, so that this is a AP. And here if any constant is added, यदि किसी कांस्टेंट को ऐड कर देते हैं, added plus 1 each, then the sequence will be this is a 4, this is 6, this is a 8, this is 10, this is 12, this is 14. In this case कह रहा है कि if any constant is added, यदि किसी कांस्टेंट को मान लीजिए एक को जोड़ दिया जाता है, added are subtracted from each term of AP, then the resultant sequence is also in AP. Here d equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2, 8 minus 6 equal to 2, 10 minus 8 equal to 2. In this case, common difference is equal, so that also in AP with the same common difference. Here in this case, common difference is 2. Here is also 2, and this is also in the AP. Now subtract from each term. जब इससे जो है प्रत्येक से एक एक टर्म घटा देंगे तब फिर क्या होगा, जो है subtract from each term to, जब 2 घटा देंगे तो क्या होगा, इधर 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. In this case, common difference 3 minus 1 equal to 2, 5 minus 3 equal to 2, 7 minus 5 equal to 2. So that if we subtract the 2 from each terms, we get also a same common difference. Here is also 2 similar to this, so that, and this is also in the AP. So here, if any constant is added or subtracted from each term of an AP, then the resultant sequence is also in AP. This is AP, this is AP with the same common difference, and in this case, common difference 2 here, 2 here, also 2. Now we take general terms here. In this case, let us suppose that sequence is T1, T2, T3, T4, Tn. In this case, common difference D equal to what? T2 minus T1. This is T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3. This is a common difference. Here, first of all, we added a constant k in each terms. New sequence will be T1 plus k, T2 plus k, T3 plus k, and so on. Tn plus k. If we added constant k to each terms, then also common difference D equal to T2 plus k minus T1 plus k. After that, this T2 plus k minus T1 minus k, so that this is a T2 minus T1. We also, in this T3 plus k minus T2 plus k, this can be written as T3 plus k minus T2 minus k remove. This is a T3 minus T2. This is a common difference. So that common difference T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T2 minus T1, T3 minus T3. Common difference is same. So that if we added a constant to the AP, that is also in AP with the same common difference. Similarly, if you subtract the k from this, this is a negative, this negative, this is also negative, this is negative. In this case, T2 minus K minus this is negative. Now T2 minus K and minus T1 plus K and also K and K remove. T2 minus T1. Similarly, T3 minus K, T2 minus K, T3 minus K or minus T2 plus K. K is also cancelled. T3 minus T2. It means that if we added a constant to the x term of an AP, that resultant is also in AP and with the same common difference. Now we see here second property. If h term of AP is multiplied or divided by a non-zero constant, जीरो नहीं होना चाहिए, constant K, then resultant sequence is also in AP with the common difference is dk, and d by k. It means that h term of AP is multiplied. In case of multiplied, common difference is dk, and divided, in this case common difference d by k. Now let us suppose that sequence equal to T1, T2, T3 dot T1. According to this correct, if h term of AP is multiplied, यदि हम k से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई बाई k to each term, new sequence will be here KT1, KT2, KT3 dot KTN. And in this case, common difference D equal to K T2 minus K T1. K, take common K T2 minus T1. In this case, this is a sequence. Here common difference T2 minus T1. Here also T2 minus T1. And in this case, resultant sequence is also in AP. This is AAP with the common difference dk. Here common difference will be k into this. Here d dash equal to k into d or dk. K into d or dk. Such type of this kt3 minus kt2, this is also dk, so that if h term of AP is multiplied by a constant k, then the resultant sequence is also in AP and common difference will be dk. Now here, if we divide by k, let us suppose that sequence is is this T1, T2, T3 dot Tn, and dividing here common difference D equal to T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2, and on dividing series will be new sequence will be what? T1 by K T2 by K, T3 by K, dot Tn by K, and we calculate common difference D dash equal to T2 by K minus T1 by K. This is equal to T2 minus T1 by K. This is equal to D by K. As we see here, if divided the AP by the constant K, then we get AP a common difference D by K. Here, so with the help of these two results, फर्स्ट रिजल्ट मीन्स इफ यदि हम किसी अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन के प्रत्येक टर्म में एक कांस्टेंट राशि को जोड़ दें या घटा दें तो जो नया सीरीज हमें प्राप्त होगा उसके कॉमन डिफरेंस में कोई अंतर नहीं पड़ेगा और कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम होंगे। लेकिन यदि किसी अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन के प्रत्येक टर्म में किसी कांस्टेंट राशि को जो है यदि हम कांस्टेंट राशि से गुणा कर देंगे तो वह भी एक एपी में होगा, लेकिन उसका कॉमन डिफरेंस जो है यदि पहले सीरीज का डी है तो उसका जो है डी इंटू के होगा, और यदि जो है पहले सीरीज का और यदि जो है कांस्टेंट टर्म से डिवाइड करें तो हमें जो है अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन मिलेगा, लेकिन उसका जो है कॉमन डिफरेंस पहले वाले कॉमन डिफरेंस का 1 बाई के यानी डी बाई के प्राप्त होगा। अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी देखें जो है नाउ प्रॉपर्टी थर्ड, इफ टर्म्स आर चूजन at regular interval of AP, then they form an AP. In this case, the terms are chosen at regular interval. Let us suppose that AP 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21 is the AP. Here, if terms are chosen at regular interval of AP, here we choose 1, 7, रेगुलर इंटरवल में 2 टर्म छोड़ दिया गया, फिर 2 टर्म छोड़ दिया गया, फिर 2 टर्म छोड़ दिया गया। Here sequence of regular interval is 1, 7, 13 and 19 and so on are also an AP because common difference is same. Here 7 minus 1 is equal to 6, 13 minus 7 equal to 6, 19 minus 7 is equal to 6. This is the property of AP, and here common difference is same, so that if terms are chosen at regular interval of AP, then that is also form, and this form is an AP. Now fourth property here, in a finite AP is the finite series, number of terms are countable, सम ऑफ टर्म्स इक्विडिस्टेंस फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग एंड एंडिंग, शुरुआत से और अंत से समान दूरी पर जो टर्म है इज कांस्टेंट एंड कांस्टेंट वैल्यू इज सम ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट टर्म्स. Let us suppose that finite AP is 3, 6, 19, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. This is the AP and the common difference of this is here 3. Now, according to question, from start and from end, first term from start is 3 and from end is 39. Sum of this is 42. Second term from start 6 and second term from end 36. Sum is 42. Third term of from start 9 and third term of from end is 33. Sum of this is 42. So that here ending is a constant and constant value is sum of first and last term. First and last term, that is 42. All the terms equal to 42 proved. Now property 5. If A, B, C are in AP, then 2B equal to A plus B. As you know that this is a AP, it means that common difference is same, and so that B minus A is equal to C minus B. It means that this comes here B plus B, and this here plus, and A plus C, and B 2B equal to A plus C proved. Now we discuss about some problem that based on the AP here. Now here first question, write the sequence whose n terms are first n square plus 1, second n square divided by n plus 1, third 4n square plus 1, and also show that sequence is in AP or not in AP. First of all, n terms are given. Tn equal to itna, n square plus 1. Putting n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. We get the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, and so on. Here n equal to 1, 1 का square plus 1, 1, 1, 2. 2 का स्क्वायर 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 4 1 5, 3 का स्क्वायर n स्क्वायर 3 3 9 1 10, 4 को 16 1 17, 50 25 1 26. So that sequence will be 2 4 10 17 26. This is the answer. First of all, write the sequence which n terms are given here. Now we see here for the arithmetic progressions which calculate common difference. Is 5 minus 2 3, 10 minus 5 5, 17 minus 10 7. These common difference are not same. Common difference is not same. This is so this sequence is not in AP. या AP में नहीं है. Sequence तो है लेकिन AP में नहीं है. Similarly, Tn is equal to n square divided by n plus 1. n is equal to 1, 1 square, 1 plus 1 square, n square. Here n square by n plus 1, n square divided by n plus 1. Here 1 1 2, 1 by 2. Here this is a n square. Now here in this case n square plus 1. Now n square divided by n square plus 1. In this case, n is equal to 1, 1 square divided by 1 square plus 1. That is 1 by 2. n is equal to putting 2 square plus 1. 2 दूना 4, 2 दूना 4 1 5. 3 तिरिक 9, 3 तिरिक 9 एक 10, 4 चौके 16, 4 चौके 16 एक 17, 5 25, 5 25 और एक 26. This is a sequence, but we calculate the common difference D. 4 by 5 minus half, that is equal to 4 by 5 can be written as 8 by 10 and 5 by 10, 3 by 10. 9 by 10 minus 4 by 5, this is 8, 1 by 10, so that common difference are not same. Common difference is not same, so that sequence is not in AP. Now the third problem, Tn is equal to 4n square plus 1. Putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4, 1, the 4, a 5. 2 दूना 4 चौके 16 एक 17, 3 तिरिक 9 चौके 36 एक 37, 4 चौके 16 चौके 64 एक 65. Here the sequence will be 5, 13, 5, 17, 37, 65, 101. Now we here common difference 17 minus 5, 12, 37 minus 17, 20, and 65 minus 37, 28. Since common difference is not same, so it is not in AP. For this, we can show that Tn is equal to 4n square plus 1. We replace n by n minus 1, we get this, and common difference is equal to Tn minus 1. After the calculation, this is 8n minus 2. Here, it is not a constant due to n, value of n change, so the terms also change, so that it is not AP. Now, write, subscribe and share with his friends. Thank you.